Okay, friends, today I'm going to show you an application that you can use to install your Android phone application. So Google Play applications on Fire TV. People finding it difficult to find a way to install the application. There are certain ways that you can use. One of them is installing the APK in the USB, connecting USB to your TV and then install. There are so many, but today in this video I'm going to show you a easiest way of installing Android applications on Fire TV. For this you need to download a very small application. Name of the application is Easy Fire TV Tools. Once it's installed, it will looks like this. Oh my god. Okay, here it is. Okay, I already having this application running. No, not okay. I just install. Once it's installed, this is the application will show you the already installed application on your phone, and also you have APKs already on your phone that you may have downloaded APKs. Okay, I'm talking about already installed application that I want to transfer to your my Fire TV. So what I will do, there are certain two steps you need to follow. First, tap on the Wi-Fi so it can discover the nearby Fire TVs. Of course they needs to be on the same Wi-Fi connection that your phone is. Okay, it found my TV. It also showing the IP address. If it face some problem for discovering, then you just need to know your IP address of your Fire TV and then just go to settings, and here the Fire TV IP address, you just type in the IP address that your TV have, and just okay, then you can tap on this Wi-Fi again. It will easily discover via IP address. Okay, once this app discovered your Fire TV, then you need to tap on these two plugs to connect each other. Okay, it shows the message connected to Fire TV, and nothing have left really. Suppose there's application I want to install on my Fire TV. I don't know where it is. Okay, sorry, it won't take much time. Actually there are lots of applications already installed, so I want to Red Joy application. Okay, here it is, Red Joy Perfect player. I want to install this. Yeah, it says the message install the application on Fire TV. Yeah, I want, and it is transferring the application to my Fire TV. I also show you. Okay, installing. I would like to. Okay, its installation is in progress. So you see how easy it is to install Google Play applications on Fire TV. Not a very difficult task now. Okay, once it's done, let me show you by opening my camera so I can show you the TV interface. Okay, if you can see, just see this, the message. It flashes for a few seconds only. In fact, you can always go to applications to check the applications installed. Okay, don't worry, and manage install application, and here you will see the application we just installed. So easy guys, it's really very easy. I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching.